Okay, continue in this setting, in this menu. We going to the image menu. In a view channel, you can view all kind of the channel that create image, red, green, blue, and alpha. See this image. You know that the RGB image mode include red, green, and blue, and the alpha channel. If your image has this channel, you can see them in this preview. The alpha channel is to separating, for example, this mountain to the background. You can change the sky or background. You can see them in a view channel. The ordering, loading order is here. You can specify arranging the in a thumbnail according to the name, length, or creation time, ascending or descending. You can change them. Okay, going back to the image. You can rotate or flip. These comments are they're also here. You can rotate your image in any direction that you want, clockwise or counterclockwise, or you can flip horizontal or flip vertical. They are here, and that has a shortcut control. We can rename your image. For example, rename any name that you want. You can move to recycling, that means delete, or you can delete from the hard disk, mean shift delete. When you have a GIF image, animated image, as you can see, it's play and has an animation. You can stop it here. You can stop the animation. It looks like a still image. You can start it again and play its animation. Interesting, another tool is here. You can extract the images that I said you in the next lesson separately. This you can set this image as a desktop background, not this GIF, still image, JPEG. You can set it as a desktop background or set as a lock screen image in Windows, or you can open the location of this image, or you can simply image properties controller. Here you can see the properties of this image, dimensions, width, height, DPI, or anything that you want. Okay, that's image menu.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.
Hello there, I'm Hamid RT from TutorialCells. I'm electrical engineer and software instructor. I love teaching and learning. In this channel, we intend to produce free tutorials on softwares, games, and other sciences. But our main focus is on making tutorials for softwares. We are currently changing our policies to protect copyright law and respect the work of others. In the first step, we will teach only free software. Then, after purchasing commercial and official versions of the software and obtaining the permission from the software companies, we will record a tutorial for those softwares. So we start with the free software that is free for everyone to use. Because of the strict rules of the companies and YouTube, even if we use trial version of commercial software, we will still face legal issues in future for monetizing videos on YouTube. So, stay tuned for our new tutorial with free, powerful, and functional software. Thank you very much.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.